everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to make your dance video look way more powerful without using crazy effects. And all you need is CapCut or any video editor that you have. So let's get started. First, just open your video editor. For example, in this tutorial I use CapCut. And then just import your dance clips into CapCut. And then set the ratio that you want for your video. Make sure your camera shot is a little far full move so your full moves aren't cut off. This will give you more space to work with when editing. Next, just add text layer and then just type just a dot like this. Go to styles and then make the size to the maximum like this. Zoom in again. And then just place it on a key spot that you want to track, like maybe the head, like this. For example, like this. This dot will act as a reference point for your movement adjustment. Next, just set the durations to the all clips like this. And then now comes the magic. Let's add a keyframes at the start of the clips. And then just slide the timeline a bit like this. And then when the head doesn't on the original dot anymore, just move it like this. So it will keep on the original dot. And then just keep doing this frame by frame until the video is done. Just take your time. It's okay to zoom in on the timeline for the more precision like this. Just zoom in your timeline. The more keyframes that you add, the smoother the movement shift will be. These all small adjustments are what make your dance video feel more dynamic and powerful. Okay, like this. Once you finish keyframing, just play your video and you will see the difference like this. Your video will look like this. But first just delete the dot layer and then your video will look like this. It will just pop more. And then from here you can add filters or maybe add a little color grading if you want. But even without extra effects, it already looks much stronger. And okay, that's it, a simple trick to make your dance video more powerful without overdoing it. Just try it out. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.